Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today is a kind of slow-paced day, but I got some packages in and I just wanted to open them. Let me see if I can get this open. So I have a crop top, really cute. It's got a racer back. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that tela. This is nice fabric. It doesn't say. Let me check. This is such good fabric. I like it. It says polyester and spandex. Oh, this is cute. It says Sandy and Sid, but it's a cute little crop top. I bought it because it had a lot of coverage and it was like stretchy, so like it fit, but also it wasn't gonna be like, you know what I mean, like it wasn't gonna be like showing too much skin. So there's that. Then I also got, because like I had that mic that I wanted to use, I have also a use for mics outside of the studio. So the first thing I have here is the headphones, so I could hear the playback. And these are under $2. They're $1 something. So that was pretty cool. Verbatim stereo earphones. This is them. Here's the plug. And they're here. This is them. So those are cute. I really like them. Like if you're going on a trip, these are perfect for that. You just pack them. You have them just in case. Or if you have use for them, like if you're going somewhere you don't want to mess up your good ones or need smaller headphones. And then these, I think this is the microphone that I had ordered. So this was like $3 something. It was under $5. It's by Movo. So let me open it from the bottom. And this has the headphone jack, so I can listen to the playback. So I can listen to it. So it has a little card, little case, leather. It's cute. And here is the microphone. Here you plug in the headphones. Let's see. Something in here. Oh, this is for, I think this is, you put it on, you clip it on, and then you can hold. Oh, this is cute. It like moves. So you plug it in and it like moves. What do you call it? It looks like a shoe. So then you plug this in, see here, and you can hear, you know, it's like a receiver. You can hear what everything, you know, the audio, how it's going. You can hear the sound and monitor your progress live while it's recording. So I really like that. That's why I bought it. So originally these are same price, but if you like the mic one, like you want to answer your phone and you want the mic on it already, that's under $5 still. It's like 3 something. Look, it says right and left too. So I thought under $5, this whole setup for being out and about in the street, being outside of the studio, pretty cool. This I think I have to buy an adapter because I want one that clips onto the phone, and those are like probably 3 something too. This one is under 15 originally price. It's 14 something brand new. So I bought it about, I'd say $10 less, $12 less than the original price. So it's a pretty good deal, I thought, and I took it up right away. And I thought I'd save some money, and even though I'm gonna not have like access to all this, you know, atmosphere for recording the audio, at least I'd have a buffer to, you know, for the interference outside, you know, wherever I'm at. Should I be not able to record here because I'm, you know, off campus. So I like my purchases. Really like my purchases. Pretty good deals. The shirt, I believe the shirt was probably under $5. So, you know, I really like that. Total, well, total would be under 10. So, perfect. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again on the next one. My Sunday Frump. Bye-bye.